ग्रीनफायर में आपका स्वागत है।
Unique operating system, PLC HMI-based touchscreen controls, dual wiring, fully automatic, and emergency manual mode.
This series of thermic heater is specially designed for Greenfire Biomass Pellet Burner. Pellet Burner fired new vertical series of thermic fluid heaters. Greenfire Biomass Pellet Burner gives you a high and prompt temperature. So, forget about temperature and low production problems. Green peas continuous frying line. Due to the high water content of green peas, high and constant temperature is required for frying.
Super fast production rate with Greenfire multi-fuel burner, zero maintenance with long life.
Green peas continuous frying line.
We are Greenfire Energy Private Limited, manufacturer of biomass multi-fuel burners.